Hi, I'm Pankaj from Ganpati Zone, and in this channel we bring you the latest Google SEO updates plus SEO tips and tricks with which you can skyrocket your website rankings on the search engines. And this video we are making by a special request by one of our subscribers, KC Kaushik. We made a video of a Google update and he wanted us to make the English version of this update. So KC Kaushik, this video is specially for you. So in this video we are going to discuss about the latest Google update, and that is the customer's message on Google My Business app. So let's start. So in this update, like if you are already registered in Google My Business, so when you search your business in Google search, you will see your company's images, your company's maps, listings, plus your company's address, plus you will see request a quote. Because currently when someone goes to this page, local listing page, and tries to send you a message, currently you get a message on your mobile device. But this is going to change. Coming November 15th, 2019, this is going to change. Now you will have to download the Google My Business app from the Google Play Store. And this is a free app. You can download it and you have to log in with your email ID, and you have to click on the Customers tab, then Messaging, and activate messaging. Once you activate the messaging, then in future whenever you get any inquiries from this, it will go to your free Google My Business app. So you should activate this, should get the messages from your clients in your free Google My Business app. You can also customize your welcome message in this app. Plus, you can change your business hours. You can also give permissions to your employees so they can revert back to your customer messages if you are busy. You can post your images and text in this particular app so the customers should know more about your business. So whenever we get the latest updates and we activate it, it enhances our local SEO. So I hope this update will be very useful to you. And coming this November 15, 2019, you will be getting messages on your app. So let me know in the comments below, will you activate this service just now, or share with your relatives and friends who are already registered with Google My Business. I'll wait for your comments, and please subscribe and press bell icon, because whenever I bring more updates like this, you get the notifications.